In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and remove a page break in Google Docs. If you're formatting a document and want better control over where a new page starts, page breaks are a simple and very useful tool. They help you move content to the next page cleanly without repeatedly pressing enter and messing up your layout later on. I'll walk you through how to add a page break first, and then how to remove one if you change your mind. To insert a page break, start by placing your cursor exactly where you want the new page to begin. This is important because Google Docs will create the break at that precise location. So if you want a heading, paragraph, or section to start on a fresh page, click just before that content. Once your cursor is in the right spot, go to the top menu and click Insert, then select Break, and then choose Page Break. As soon as you do that, Google Docs will create a new page for you automatically. You'll notice that all of the text after your cursor moves down onto the next page. That's how you know the page break has been inserted successfully. This gives your document a cleaner, more professional structure, especially for reports, essays, resumes, or any file where sections need to begin on separate pages. Now let's remove a page break. If you no longer want that extra page separation, place your cursor at the beginning of the page that comes after the break. In other words, click at the very start of the text that was pushed onto the next page. From there, press backspace if you're using Windows or a Chromebook, or press delete if you're on a Mac. Keep pressing until the page break is removed. Depending on your cursor placement, it may happen immediately or take a couple of taps. So just watch the text as you do it. Once the page break is deleted, the text will move back onto the previous page. That confirms the break is gone and your content is flowing normally again. A helpful tip is to use page breaks whenever you want intentional spacing between sections, instead of adding blank lines manually. That way, your formatting stays consistent even if you edit the document later. And that's all there is to it. Inserting and removing a page break in Google Docs only takes a few seconds, and it can make a big difference in how polished your document looks.